Okay, so we will take a look at how you can add the Google Maps into this particular design. So let's start with custom size, right? And here I'll pick one of the posts in Canva, right? Now in apps, let me type in maps. So we have like Google Maps and Mind Maker as well. So pick the Google Maps, and here you see the official integration is also here. You may have to add the location, so we will be able to drag and drop those things. You can see, let's say if I type in particular location, I can add that in here, right? So one of the city of Kathmandu you can see from here in map form, right? And if we try and preview this, currently we don't have any such option, so we just export this to whatever image format we have. So you can use this for a variety of purpose, like say your contact cards or for the brochures where you are actually printing the location for the event. So variety of event related brochures and stationaries you can use in this context, right? What are the features that we have here is we can even mention say ATMs, then things to do, or maybe hotels, restaurants, and so on. So we can make this thematic based on the things available to us. So we remove this and we try and add one of the address to the hotels, right? So if we tap on it, it will add the map into it, but this time it will try and show the respective hotels within the area, right? So this can be handy, especially you are trying to show particular shops and places where events are organized, right? So in that case, if you're designing those type of brochures in Canva, you can use Google Maps through apps.